Hey folks! You ever pulled your favorite shirt from the dryer, and instead of being ready to wear, it's sticking to you like a desperate ex? Or maybe you've experienced that tiny surprise zap when shaking hands. If you're tired of playing a part in a spontaneous science experiment, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into how to get rid of static in clothes. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Let's start with the basics. You've probably wondered, why is it that my clothes decide to go all electric on me? Well, it's all about friction, folks. This sneaky culprit is called static electricity, and it's caused by the rubbing of two different materials against each other. This movement causes electrons to swap, leaving an imbalance that creates that familiar static cling. You've probably noticed this more in drier conditions or colder seasons, right? That's because the lack of humidity in the air gives static electricity an open invitation to your wardrobe. So, how do we send this unwelcome guest packing? Let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the basics. The first line of defense is moisture. Getting a humidifier for your home can be a game changer. According to a study from the University of Sydney in 2018, increasing the humidity levels can dramatically decrease the chances of static buildup. So, investing in a humidifier might be worth considering if you're tired of static-clad clothes. Next, we've got the trusty dryer sheet. It's like a secret weapon against static. These sheets work by balancing out the electrons in your clothes, preventing that static buildup. Just toss one or two into your dryer with your clothes, and voila, it's magic. But what if you want to go au naturel? Hanging your clothes to dry can be an excellent static buster. The folks at University of Illinois' Extension program published a comprehensive guide on static electricity in 2020, and one of their top tips? Air drying your clothes. The slower drying process and open air environment can minimize static cling. And last but not least, our DIY marvels, the anti-static spray. You can either purchase one from a store or make your own at home. To make one, just mix 1 part fabric softener with 30 parts water and spray it on your clothes. This solution neutralizes static charge and can leave your clothes static-free. Look at you, now you're ready to take on static cling like a pro. Remember, static in clothes is all about the friction and dry air. By adding moisture, using dryer sheets, air drying your clothes, and employing an anti-static spray, you can win the battle against static in no time. So, folks, have you been surprised by any of these techniques? Or maybe you've got your own secret static fighting weapon. Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video if you found it helpful. Your clothes will thank you. And as always, remember, a world without static is just a dryer sheet away.